大家好. In this video, I'm going to explore the Chinese Voyage website together with you to show you that how you can leverage it to boost up your Chinese skills. And at the end of the videos, you could find the coupon code special for the YouTube members, which is 15% off to unlock all the Chinese learning videos on our website. Okay, so let's go! What you are seeing now is the homepage of our website. So there are different columns there, e-textbooks, the video courses, and the live pinyin charts, which is a very useful study tool for the pronunciations for the beginners. And the learning plans you could choose, and the blogs include many grammar points, all the Chinese cultural information, and then the login for the members. So I will go through the contents on the homepage and then introduce how you could make the best use of the resources on the website. Firstly, you can click this button to key in your email address and the passwords to sign up as the free members of our website. The advantage for the free members is to receive our newsletters regularly with the updates on Chinese learning tips, Chinese cultures, and the course discounts, and etc. Then you will see the content about why choosing Chinese Voyage as your Mandarin learning resources. So there are 4 main reasons. Number 1, a clearly structured curriculum. So follow our lesson schedules. You will always note your current study progress and what to learn for the next. With the well-designed learning path, with a clear study goal, I would say you have been halfway to the success. So number 2, our courses offer everything you may need during your study journey. For example, the e-textbooks, hundreds of video courses, and the pinyin lookup table to improve your pronunciation for beginners. Let me show you there. It's here, live pinyin charts. Let's get into it. So this is the live pinyin charts. You will see the horizontal bar here is the initials, which we have covered groups by groups in the pronunciation course. And the vertical bar here is the vowels, with the single vowel coming first, and then the compound vowels with R groups, and the groups, and etc. So how to use it? For example, you can call me Yan Lao Shi. So let's check the pinyin units. Yan. So the initials here. And we can see the vowels is here. So here we have this pinyin unit. And we can see it is the second tone, right? So let's listen to it.
Yan.
Right? So how about Lao? You can find the initial here. And here is the pinyin unit. So for the third tone,
Lao.
right? So how about Shi? That's the first tone.
Shi.
Very easy, right? So in this way, you can look up the pinyin units and use this table to help with your pronunciations. It's really, really useful study tools and it's totally for free. So please get back use of it. Alright, so let's go back to the home page. So besides the live pinyin charts, we also offer the downloadable PDF and quiz materials for different courses, which is the post-lesson exercises to help you consolidate the knowledge after each video course. You can access them in different entries. For example, let's scroll down here to choose a course. For example, these ones. So now we are at the course page of the beginner conversational course level HSK 1. You can see a very detailed and clear curriculum here. The topic for each lesson, what you will learn in these lessons. So if you click into the preview for the videos, then you can unlock the video course like this. So if you click into the post-lesson exercises, then you can download the worksheets for each lesson. And in order to make it more user-friendly, you can also download them as a whole for each course. Let's go back to the live pinyin chat area. So here we have the download tab. So from here, you can download the worksheet as a whole for each course, alright? And you could see there is another tab here, e-textbook. Here you can download the sample book for free. Each of it has around 20 pages for the free preview before you buy the full versions. So take the first one as an example. You can see it includes 13 lessons in the HSK1 textbook, all the basic vocabularies and the daily occasional dialogues for the beginner levels, and embedded close to 200 audios, and 150 vocabularies, 90 exercises quiz, and with 218 pages in the full versions. You can purchase the e-textbooks on our website and also can buy it from the Apple Store. So you can use the e-textbooks in your smartphones, tablets, or the computers seamlessly. So let's continue. The third reason for choosing Chinese Voyage as your learning resources, based on my experience and language education research, I decided and ensure the course learning will be engaging and fun. Because we know it's not easy to stay motivated during the language studies, but it's also result-oriented. So if you can keep your learning pace 1 or 2 times per week, 30 minutes per time, then we guarantee you can unlock the conversational Chinese skills. The last but not least, with the e-textbooks and the combination with the video courses, you can study Chinese anytime, anywhere, to fit into your own pace. So continue to scroll down. Here, it demonstrates how does it work. So step 1 is to watch the video course of each lesson. For example, the conversational course, each lesson usually contains 2 or 3 video courses, and each video is 5 to 10 minutes long. So the content of each lesson would be divided into vocabularies, and then dialogue, and then the grammar, or we call the grammar as the sentences structured here. So the step 2 is the speaking practice. We know that it is very important to immerse yourself into the language when studying a foreign language. So both our video classes and the post-lesson exercises are designed to involve your oral practice, so as to improve your pronunciation of the vocabularies and get familiar to how to build up your own Chinese sentences. Then the step 3 is the listening practice. It is always a challenge for a foreigner to listen and understand the real-life conversations. So the earlier to get immersed into the language, the quicker you can master conversational Chinese. Within the e-textbook, there are well-designed listening audios for you to practice the listening skills. So you can see it is the comprehensive course. Alright, so the next part is about what you get. At current stage, we offer conversational course from the 0 beginners to the HSK 3 levels. When we talk about HSKs, it refers to 汉语水平考试 In English, it means Chinese proficiency text. So we will start from the Pinyin course. Pinyin is the pronunciation system of Mandarin Chinese, and most of the Pinyin courses are free to watch. And then we will move on to the beginner conversational course. After you finish the beginner conversational course, your Chinese proficiency levels would achieve HSK1, which means you can speak the greeting phrases and handle the most basic conversations. So after that, the learning sequences I recommend here is to unlock the Chinese character course. So in phase 1 of the Chinese character course, we will unlock the first 100 Chinese characters. After that, you will be able to type and read some of the basic Chinese text. And then we can move on to the HSK2 and free conversation course. So after finishing the HSK free level conversational course, you will be able to master most of the conversation occasions, including shopping, travels, studies, work, sports, events, and even some cultural topics towards to a fluent level. And then I recommend you to move on to the phase 2 of the Chinese character course to unlock the second 100 Hanzi. After that, you will be able to read and understand more than half parts of any daily articles and most of the script size. So in other words, you will be more convenient when you travel or studied or even work in China. And the next part is about the learning plans and the products. So start from the watch plans, which is $8.89 per month. During the membership period, you are free to access all the video courses on our website. And the most recommended and the most cost-efficient one is the 6-month learning plans. Charge $60 every 6 months. You can review your progress and set your next study goals and plans after 6 months. And please note that now we offer additional 15% of coupon codes for the YouTube members, which you could find the details of the coupons in the description part. It can be adapted to all the plans here. So the half-year plans and the yearly plans both include the e-textbooks of HSK1 levels, and the other 2 editions need to be shopped separately. Alright, so for more details and more free video courses and the free downloadable materials, you could look into the course page one by one. And don't forget to register as our members and choose a learning plan suitable for you. Enjoy your study time, dear. So for any kind of questions regarding to the Chinese learning or the course, you can use the contact page or leave the message on the YouTube channel. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So I will be there for your support. Alright, so let's see in the next video. Bye!